Alright, so today we got new addition to the channel, project car on a budget, extreme budget. Hey, what's going on guys? Today we got new addition to the channel, project car on a budget, extreme budget. I was able to get the cheapest MK5 in the States. I'm gonna tell you the price by the end of the video. Alright, so let me show you my purchase. Okay, so like you can see, the car is a little beat up. I bought it from the first owner. Has a clean title, 240,000 miles. And the best part about it, it's a driver's car. You see this? 5-speed manual, and you can see the mileage. Actually has 230,000 miles. So the car is not in the mint condition. It has a little bit of rust. Rims need to be painted, and I'm not real sure what I'm gonna do with this car. It might be a project car, so I can fix it up a little bit and just race it once in a while, or I can fix it up on a budget, of course, and do a little giveaway on my channel. That'll be a first. Bumper is cracked, the windshield is cracked, it has some corrosion in the hood, the fender is a little bit up. Let's check out the back. Alright, not too bad. Of course, the logo is missing. A little dent over here, but I think the first step is gonna be power washing the car because it's pretty filthy. I cleaned yesterday the inside, so it looks like this. The door liner is coming off. Headliner totally came off. Let me get inside. So yeah, so the inside, it's not really that terrible. The only part that is messed up are the vents. They're broken up a little bit, but at least AC works. You got 2 modes, no speed or high speed, but I take it. All right, let's start it up. And of course the handbrake doesn't work. It sounds like it works, but nope, doesn't work. And I got a few lights on the dash, ABS, tire pressure, the little things. Let's go to the car wash it up a little bit, maybe vacuum, and see how it's gonna look after wash. Hopefully it's not gonna fall apart. All right, so let's go. Oh shit, that was a reverse. All right. It's still going. It's not the quickest car out there. This one's a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. I would say it's 150 horses, and nothing was done to the car to improve the performance, so it's a bone stock. All right, so let me put the AC on. Got no speed. 1, 2, 3, and forwards. All right, I'll see you at the car wash. This one is open. All right, let's wash this thing. Can't forget about engine bay. Alright. That'll do it. Alright, all done. Oh, it looks a lot better. Oh, there's a little brother of this rabbit. It's a VW Beetle. It looks like it's pretty much the same condition as mine. Decent. Alright, let's go. Alright, so the car is all cleaned up, but it's not much better. A lot of corrosion out there. The front looks pretty bad. The entire hood needs to be repainted. The bumper doesn't look the greatest. The headlights are still pretty hazy. Oh, no roof. What the hell is this? Make sure you never buy a black car. This is the worst color ever. Alright, so let's get a spray paint and see if we can fix it up. The rust problem. Maybe first let's hit it with the wire brush. Something better. Got paint with primer. It's a little bit easier. Like new. Let's see on this side. Got a couple scrapes. Let's see if we can fix that. Brand newish. Okay, so I did a little touch-ups on the paint, so the value of the car went up 100% right now. So you can see the rims are all painted. I can tell they're a professional job. Little overspray on the tires. The rear quarter panel looks pretty much brand newish. No more rust. And this side pretty much the same. Little touch-ups, new paint on the rims, but still that makes the cheapest VW on the market. You might be wondering how much I paid for this one. So actually I paid $500. So that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see happening with this car in my channel. If you got pretty cool ideas, write me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.